Welcome to this video on coding, languages and their uses. In this video, we will be exploring the different coding languages that exist and what they are used for. Coding languages are used to create software, applications, websites, mobile apps, and many other types of digital products. Without coding languages, the digital world as we know it would not exist. Programming languages have been developed by many people over many decades, and it's difficult to attribute their invention to a single individual. However, some of the earliest programming languages were developed in the 1950s and 1960s by researchers and computer scientists such as John Backus, Grace Hopper, and Dennis Ritchie. Fortran, which stands for Formula Translation, was one of the earliest high-level programming languages and was developed by a team led by John Backus at IBM in the 1950s. Grace Hopper, another computer pioneer, is credited with developing the first compiler, which translated high-level programming languages into machine code. She was also instrumental in the development of COBOL, one of the earliest programming languages designed for business applications. Dennis Ritchie, along with Ken Thompson, developed the C programming language at Bell Labs in the 1970s. C became one of the most widely used programming languages and was the basis for many other languages, including C++, Java, and Python. Since then, many other programming languages have been developed by individuals and organizations around the world, and new languages continue to be created to meet the needs of different applications and programming paradigms. Let's begin by discussing what coding languages are. A coding language is a set of rules, instructions, and syntax used to create software programs. These languages are designed to be read and understood by computers, and they allow programmers to communicate with computers to create the programs that we use every day. There are many different coding languages in use today, each with its own unique features and uses. One of the most popular coding languages is JavaScript. JavaScript is a scripting language that is used to create dynamic and interactive web pages. With JavaScript, web developers can create animations, validate form input, and manipulate the HTML and CSS of a web page. JavaScript is also used, which allows for server-side scripting and the creation of web applications. Another popular coding language is Python. Python is a high-level programming language that is easy to read and write. Python is used for a wide variety of applications, from web development to scientific computing to machine learning. Python is popular because of its simplicity, readability, and versatility. Java is another popular coding language. Java is an object-oriented language that is used to create desktop and mobile applications. Java is also used for server-side scripting and web development. Java is popular because of its robustness, portability, and security features. PHP is a server-side scripting language that is used to create dynamic web pages. PHP is used in content management systems like WordPress and Drupal, as well as in e-commerce platforms like Magento and WooCommerce. PHP is popular because of its simplicity, flexibility, and popularity in the web development community. Ruby is another popular coding language that is used for web development, scripting, and application development. Ruby is used in the Ruby on Rails web framework, which is popular among web developers for its simplicity and productivity. C++ is a high-performance language that is used for system programming, game development, and software engineering. C++ is popular because of its speed, efficiency, and low-level access to computer hardware. Swift is a coding language used for iOS and macOS application development. Swift is designed to be fast, safe, and easy to use. Swift is popular among Apple developers because of its modern syntax, powerful features, and integration with Apple's development tools. These are just a few examples of the many coding languages that exist. Each language has its own unique features and uses. Choosing the right coding language for a particular project depends on a variety of factors, including the project's goals, the developer's skills, and the requirements of the project. In conclusion, coding languages are an essential part of the digital world that we live in today. Without coding languages, the software applications and digital products that we use every day would not exist. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, learning a coding language can be a rewarding experience that opens up new opportunities in the world of technology. We hope that this video has been helpful in understanding the different coding languages and their uses. Thank you for watching.